our time is already fast spent, but let's quickly comment on the appeal court affirming Ifeanyi Ubah's election as a senator representing Anambra South Senatorial District. Very quickly.
Well, the thing is that Ifeanyi Ubah remains a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria on the grounds of technicality. Because the court of first instance, nullified his election because he was said to have presented a forged NECO result. Now, then when they went on appeal, it was discovered that the process in the first of court instance was not signed. You understand? And everybody knows, whether you're a lawyer or a non-lawyer, an unsigned document is a worthless document, useless, whether in court or out of court. But when in court, it's even worse. You understand? So it's as simple as that. He's a senator based on technicality.
Unfortunately, is the senator representing my zone. You can see how I am into this. Yeah, he's the senator representing my zone in Anambra South. Yeah, he has a kind of chaotic academic background, very chaotic, something very unpredictable. For him to present NECO, and it says, forged, alleged to have been forged, and the lower court by Justice Bello found him culpable in that act. It's something very, very shameful. Very, very shameful. And this is what we are clamoring for now. Even as election is coming up in my state, Anambra, that anybody that has a kind of baggage of issues, either with TFCC, with certificates and all that, cannot be allowed to be the next, to be a governor, to even represent any part in that state. Because our election will be coming up very soon after Edo and the Delta, Edo and the Ondo, next will be an Anambra election. And it should be like replicated in all the states. But the problem we have in this kind of issue, that when they get there, they can talk. They can't say a word against the government in power because EFCC will come after them. And at the end of the day, instead of the person you send to represent you being vocal and capable enough to speak on your behalf, he'll be like cowed because of so many checks around him that make it difficult for him to talk. Like my learned friend said, he is the senator and he won the election. To be honest, he won the election. People gave him the mandate because of the problem we have with Ubah. People don't differentiate between Ubahs. Oh, the two. We have Ifeanyi Ubah, we have Andy Ubah, we have SL Chris Ubah. Yes. But finally, Chris Ubah and Andy Ubah is from the same family. Yes. Okay. They have been dictating who has become the senator, who have been the senator of Anambra South since 1999. Wow. Since 1999. So people became very, very angry. I said, look, your family must not be producing. Funny enough, APC gave Andy Ubah ticket, PDP gave Chris Ubah ticket, the two brothers. Then Ifeanyi Ubah, being a very, very smart guy, spotted the lacuna there, joined to YPP, spent his money, he's a rich man, spent his money, he's already popular, cashed on that, get the emotion flying everywhere and sentiment, and he won. But the point now is that for you to go into politics, you have to put your house in order.
Very simple.
If you know you don't have the background, you can't eat your cake and have it.
Yes.
Allow people like us into that know that we suffer so much to get all these academic credentials to go there. You can't just go out and grab all the money and then come out and they occupy the position of those with intellectual capacity and ability to go there and talk.
I agree with you, Bryce.
Thank you. So let's see how it goes on the it can be sorted out based on the signed documents.
Quickly.
Now, you see, the beauty of law is that when a lawyer claims he knows the law, the other man may keep quiet. You might have seen one or two flaws in the papers he filed. That is exactly what happened in Anambra. Now, a lawyer who filed a paper who did not sign it, or the paper was not signed, it may not be intentional. It may be maybe on hurriedness, on oversight, or maybe we are used to in the office, we are waiting for you at the registry for filing, please tell your boss to bring it, rush, they file. And once you file it, you cannot sign it again. You sign before you file. After filing, you can't sign. So once it is filed, the lawyer goes ahead with the case, but the other must have seen and say, okay, let us wait. At the end, we know where to catch them.
And they did.
I believe it is a strategy for him. But to me and my mind, for somebody who is not qualified, be academically or politically, constitutionally, to occupy an office, and one way or the other finds himself there, the guilty conscience will always be there. I can say he's going there to collect salary and emoluments. The performance there, I doubt if he can achieve anything reasonable. Because in the midst of professors, doctors, master's degree holder, first degree holder, then you now want to be talking and say, is it not this man that has no so certificate? It is embarrassing.